Happy Sunday, my people. Greetings, everyone. I greet the Hassan. It's my live video, so the topic be say waiting. I really like to know waiting. Governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, came to do in Italy. Mr. Governor, direct message to you. You understand? This one be time when we say we go just keep quiet. They look una, they do what they do una mind. Now we vote una there. You understand me? I see the headline say the governor came to address issue of trafficking and some other problems facing Nigeria or Edo State. I don't know. Mr. Governor, Europe not be the problem. Leave us when they Europe here, we do okay. Italy, for the full world, I go talk, say Italy now they get the highest security pass, not dare them. Anything when each and everyone they do for Italy, they know they get time for their thing, they know they rush. So Mr. Governor, just leave us when we dey here, leave us. No disturb yourself about us. We dey okay, that they take off us where. You know where problem dey? I beg me you go Libya. And for years say as you fly down to Italy, say na Libya you come down, you dey fear to go Libya. Who am I Libya? Children when don't suffer across Mediterranean Sea, you come here now come they discuss may they carry them go back. That Benin not continue Egwa. You understand me? It not go continue. It's better you go to Libya, go and help the poor citizen of Edo State, poor citizen of Nigeria. Go and help them. Go to Libya, go and stop them from Libya. Not come here, come the form say you want come they fight human trafficking. For where you did, that has Bongo, Edo State when you did there. Human trafficking not there. You don't come out that thing when they your eye finish. Before you dey form say you dey come other man land, come out that thing when they their eye. Before you were born, human trafficking don't they exist. You understand me? Not be say I dey support am, you understand? But the way you dey do am, you as a governor, now you be the root of this human trafficking. You understand me? Which job you don't create for Edo State there now when you come dey address them, make them give you more this and this, make them deport citizen from here, go house. Which job you say make them go dey do for us? Make them go dey carry gun, go dey shoot themselves. Or you don't know wetin dey happen for Edo State there, so wetin you don't fit do for Edo State when you dey there before you travel come Europe here? Or you want talk say you don't know wetin dey happen for Edo State? Abeg o, I wan know, make you come out, make you come address wetin you can't do for here. What the woman? Wetin you can't do? Wetin you can't do for here? Na only you wan be governor when dey down Nigeria. You want to do pass yourself, Mr. Governor. You want to do pass yourself, oh. Me, I no feel quiet. I just lock up. Edo State, I like her with all my heart. You understand? I go talk because they say if ours good, wetin be outside, wetin that they find for outside. You understand? And for year now say since when you enter office, you don't create the 2,000 job when you say you want to create every month or be every year for the citizen. Nothing like that. You carry your 2 leg, you enter flight, you come Italy. Why you not drop for Libya? Go Libya. May go see the way Nigerians they die for Libya. Go see the way that they maltreat Nigerians for Libya. Go see the way that they send Nigerians for Libya. Why you not come down for Libya? You for come down for Libya. I beg Mr. Governor, my direct message when I need to tell you be say if you know wetin you're good for you, carry flight to go Libya. I'll still come out for this social media and I'll come praise you. I'll come thank you. Go save our Nigerians when they Libya there. Those ones when don't they Italy here, I beg leave them. Leave them for Italian governor to take off. Leave them. May you go Libya. May you go help the poor citizens for Libya. and for Edo State there make you create job, make you make Edo State be state when be say even the foreigners go like wan visit Edo State. You understand me? Not be only just to dey use youth for election, not be only that one as suppose know now. You understand me? Because be looking at your administration for this your you just show say man you show and so say man you totally fail. As I just dey here so and you see am for my eye, I no get joy. You understand? I no dey happy, I no just get joy. You understand me? Because as I first talk am before, if that house good, nobody go even think say you wan come stay Europe. You understand me? Because the kind of freedom wey you get for your house, you no get am for another man's land. Na just manage na cope with the passion, with the follow up. But that one no be your headache. Wetin suppose be your headache na that Libya. You understand? Libya, e get the way they take dey. They dey kill our citizens anyhow. They dey sell them anyhow. They dey use them anyhow. You understand me? Why you not go Libya? Go Libya, Obaseki. Go Libya. Area Libya. Go help our poor citizens for Libya. All those ones when they don't fit make out to Europe, leave them. Not deport our citizens. Obaseki, Edo State no contain you. Edo State no contain you. You know wetin dey happen for Edo State now? Wetin you don't fit do put? Wetin you don't fit do put? Yeah? You even got luck sef. That be my city. That be you come. That be like to say I'm my city. You come. Me and you will get one on one problem. I know you did that one. And this one are Europe now. Free world. I will talk to you, and you must respond to my question. So as I don't get the opportunity, fit see you for city when you dey, and I don't know where you dey. I hear say na Roma to where I dey is very far. If not my Mr. Obaseki, I get many questions to ask you when you suppose respond. And that Libya, you suppose go there, go help our poor citizen. That make me use this media opportunity to come up on social media, make people help me share and make reach where you dey. You understand me? So Mr. Governor, may you come out for Italy, or may you not come spoil the good people head for Italy here. You understand? May you come out, not come spoil our head for here. Now beg I dey beg you, go Libya. Now beg I dey beg you. Now Libya you suppose go Libya, Libya. You dey fear Libya, go there. May you go help our poor citizen. Huh? Now you can't turn Italy to another place. Huh? You don't come out dirty when they your own high. You don't come out, huh? Talk let's say you see another man when dirty day high. Even the citizen of the Italian, if they come Nigeria now high office una dey put them. With the citizen our hand, we no fit reach there. Now go dabaru spread una self cover everywhere. Now who no man dey survive for that bongo. This one na Europe, not be where you carry you make us send wherever you want send come make they go put am for sale. Na free world. You understand me? And I go talk. I get the opportunity. I make people dey talk am here so. You understand me? Mr. Governor, if you want help the poor citizen, go start am for Libya. You understand? Because me I pass there. I know as that place dey dey. Death you go put am for head. If you dey come out, you dey go outside, you get am for your mind say you fit not come back house. So anything wey dey with you, anything wey you wan believe for us, you hold am. You can follow body. Because if you pass there comot, many people they pass there comot like that. You understand me? So now based on experience, now I take the talk. So we went there Europe here. Europe not be problem. Not be problem at all, Mr. Governor. May you go Libya. May you go help the poor citizen. I beg my brother and sister when they look this live video, I want just one short live video. You can help me share around. May you reach the Edo State Governor house. May you reach the Domot. May you listen to this video. And those who now when do belle like fly when they drink toto water, when a belle swell up, when they that aroma for them, now God go punish all of una. You understand? Now God go punish all of una. How many times una carry una papa leg, una carry una mama leg, go visit the camp of immigrants? how they take they live for them, to make sure say that they live well, give them the encouragement one I suppose give them. How many times una don do that one? Because money not there. Now the side where money dey, now na the dodge they go. Huh? The side where money dey, now na the dodge they go. Could you imagine person you want to do passport now for your own citizen passport? Go turn to another thing. You must pass hand to hand. Like that they say machine spoil. Or even the only transport fare when you even think to take go, you frustrate. After you don't physically get the docu for Italian handle, say na your own country passport, you go turn to problem. You carry your big belle face road, carry governor, they follow they go. So that's better of the self. Ah shit, man. Better of the self fare that flows together now. Yeah. It's the governor. The way you go not be so. If you want to help the poor citizen, go start out for Libya. All those ones you see when do belle like fly when drink starch water. I bet pack the enjoy body for that flight. May you carry them go Libya. May they go help our poor citizen. I bet make you carry them go. May they go help our poor citizen. Now that the reason now say 2019 election don't the near ground now. Now they find youth one and one use go to wrong way, two and one use their run. Now they find any means one and one country deport them from here now. Go make una go use them for their own self-greeding politics. Mr. Governor, direct message to you. Leave youth when they Europe. That's why leave them alone. Go face Edo State. Go face Libya. Go carry them from Libya. Go Edo State. May you give them job. May you create job opportunity. You understand? Because if I as good as I felt talking before, wetin be outside, wetin person you wan go find for outside. You understand me? And you yourself to start with, I will use you as an example. You yourself, let's assume say na that bongo that those state there now you grow. You for not dream of becoming a governor today. Yes or no? Believe me, absolutely no. Because you will have the opportunity to go to Western world, you know. If not, how you want to be governor for Edo State? It not go happen now. You get the opportunity to go to study. You understand? Go gather the experience when you don't first see. When you put them together and it still work for you. Why you want to call the form say you don't know what it did? Huh? You want to call the form say you don't know what it did? If na Edo State there you grow, say now you stay all your life, you go drink to become a governor today? No. So people when you dey diaspora, leave them alone, my brother. Leave them alone. Una all those cockroach our corner when they behind, all those hands when they behind, see they talk to governor. Now governor they talk to like this. May I let you know, governor, no, you not carry two heads come. Now one head, na governor carry come. Governor not be Jesus, governor not be God. Now man like me, now the same blood when they flow from my body, and they flow for your body. Therefore, I get the right to talk to her. You understand me? Because now people vote on there. Governor na public figure. If you don't want to make people talk to her, you know come, you know contest as a governor. You understand me? So I believe say man, not be bad thing they do. Because he pay me say I don't see opportunity to see her. That make me use this social media. Take pass this message. You understand me? Make it go Libya. Make it go help the poor citizens for Libya. Make it go help them. You understand? If you feel do that one, at least we'll see the hear what you they talk. If not, this one show say now deceive now una can't deceive again. No. This one you're trying go imagine now. Hospital when they say now 5-star hospital. It'll be fancy. And then the content they do selfie. If you want to take picture, you go up and there, you go take picture. Apart from that, the hospital not that useful. Huh? It's not that useful. Now say they want privatize and be another color. Yet the hospital not the function. Now pack money, spend everyone ahead on there. They commission the hospital. Waiting make the commission and say everything done in order now. Today, tomorrow, now that hospital not they work. Now they abandon project, full Benin, full everywhere. Huh? If other governors still come, he go bring your own project come. You want me the ex-governor first do remain, na not go continue am. Mr. Governor, all those big belle, all those 1960, 1940 agbediri no date, they still dey power, they still dey government. The youth, wetin una dey turn them to? Wetin una dey turn the youth to? Na not gree employ youth. All those big belle, when they go even the office, they all dey sleep. They all dey sleep. They still dey office. Una not gree retire them. Those ones wanna retire, una not gree pay their pensioner. Youth when go spend how many years for school now? The school they waste. Okay, all those ones now when fit still struggle enter here now. You want to carry them go house? Mr. Governor, one not the chop for your belly. Already very cool. I beg you, if you want help Edo people, I beg, help us. Carry plane, go Libya. Follow them. All those big belly when they room are there. Pack them, enter the plane, make them go Libya. Make them go pack our citizens. Make them pack them go us and may you give them job. You understand, Mr. Governor? So now I beg, now they beg you now. Now they beg you especially. Now I beg you. So now yours message you and why you tell you be that. We not get problem for Italy here. We not get problem for Europe here. All those our brothers when don't know what to make them day here when they go they fight for street. Leave them to Italian government. Italian government go package them. They will know where they belong to. They will keep them there. Italy not be where you want country they do gra. Now Italy now they get the highest security. Not that time, not be all those some of our big belly police when they bongo. Italy here, their security, they use camera. You understand? Even the women when they all those staff here women they pass camera. Now window now they stay. Before you pass one street, go before you follow one street, finish, reach down. Even though cold, they also on the shine. You must see women for street. They go hang for street. Now they work with that. Maybe house when they near them camera they, but all those one when they stand from window. Now they be the highest camera. Any suspicious, you know they had them. They know they pay money put before they die their number. Now bars will deal with you. You understand me? You live with when they European. May you go Libya. They assume, okay, see the other day now when they look, they say the Ijaw, the Gele, that they form one or two things. And they form one or two things when I don't know. I not blame them now. Now the way they see us. Beniza make people very akwara. And the Agbite guy who be Ijaw. Okay, why Mr. Governor? Why you know physically create this kind of job? Maybe the state security, like a neighborhood. Like neighborhood. You understand? Like that Gele water, flying boats go there. With security now, they'll get that flying boat, they'll there 247, they change duty. All those water when be say is surrounded those states. Because I believe say all those KMP now they come they park then they pass. You understand? Security go there, they okay for your streets. Neighborhood they patrol all those crises, or maybe and you still create maybe you get an industry or a company where you say you still engage yourself on. All those killy go stop now. Huh? Believe me, all those killy go stop. You yourself want tell me say you don't know wetin dey. Your deputy want tell me say you don't know wetin dey. Why not dey form say una no dey know wetin dey happen for Edo State? Now Europe be our problem. They want go pack more, go join them for bongo. Abeg go, make you know the thing wey dey your eye take comot. We when just dey diaspora here, leave us. You see this man now, he never become governor, Amigo. You understand? He himself don't still follow some camps. You understand? Because he know wetin it takes to be for a person to be poor. For person, he know wetin it takes because he don't first wear that shoe. God come bless am and you no forget where they come from. Even though you not get wetin he give them, at least go sympathize with them, go know how e dey, and e still dey do one way or another, and fit take assist them. Okay, still look this man now. Idausa, Mofi Idausa, social media president. He himself still dey preach him own, so Central and some other things must stop. You understand? And so on and so on. There plenty when they pass through media, social media, and they preach. You suppose empower them, not be you supposed come. What you can't do now, tafia, then you can't tafia. The tafia do. See John Osage. Instead they do it on one side. Why you not empower them? Why you not assist them? Make there be your branches. Till they reach out to maybe the diaspora. You waka on yourself. What you can't do? You can't do spacer. Because now Black Friday they do pass. Now not be with your money. Now our money. Money when you carry that flight and your house of a rep for speaker. The money when they take come. You not go reach to build 6 classroom for Gele. Huh? You don't reach. Just they lavish our money, they waste our money anyhow. You come Europe by yourself. What you can't do? How many camp you visit as you come so? How many camp you visit? Mr. Governor, go back. Go prepare me, go Libya. You see my hair? I the verse. You understand? Go prepare me, go Libya. That's why I talk this message rich. God bless those viewers. One love. But make me share this message. May reach Mr. Governor. God will not pass Governor of Edo State. May reach Idomont. God bless you now. And any youth when be say you know where the governor, you know where he lodge put, may they go to the hotel, may they go protest. You understand? May they ask him a question, he go answer. Make can ask him a question, make him answer. What you can't do for Italy? Why you not go help our Edo brothers when they Nigeria brothers when they Libya? I be not know what they say they happen for that side. God bless you, my brother. Happy Sunday to you. Bye.